Hey everybody, Seth here with Closed-Minded Profits. Just wanted to record a quick little video overview of Michael Cheney's The Commission Machine. Sometimes it's helpful to see what the product looks like before you buy. So I just wanted to give a quick test drive through here and show you what it looks like, show you what the modules are, and give you a look on the inside. So once you've purchased the Commission Machine, which I expect that you will, you'll come here to the login page and you'll log in with your credentials. And then you'll get to the main dashboard. There's a quick little, it's like a 1-minute video here from Michael just welcoming you in and letting you know of the steps that you need to take. Step 1 is to click through to this pre-recorded orientation call that gives you an overview of what to expect from the course. And then step 2 is to access the actual core training of the Commission Machine. And then you got this little welcome message here from Michael. So let me quickly just go through the core training modules. Each one comes with a video and a section with any relevant links that he may have discussed during the module. Let me just wait for this and hit pause. He's got a nice little intro before each one. So in this case, he's going to go and talk about his rapid formula that you can use, and then a link to go to the next video. So he goes through research about how to find and to, pick a niche and figure out where you want to market and identify an audience, where to find products to market to folks, and he's got some related links here that you can access and do use for further research. Same with Angle, which is really about determining sort of what approach you're going to take to communicating to your audience. How to promote products to them, how to communicate about them. Providing incentives, that's another module related to identifying bonuses. This is a huge opportunity for increasing sales, is adding extras and free goodies to incentivize people to buy. This can really ramp up and soup up your sales. Different ways to communicate. So he goes through different styles of communicating, whether it's email or Facebook, lots of different mediums that he talks about, content across, culture, pop culture, movies, basically coming up with creative ways to communicate to people, to grab their attention, to actually make your emails readable instead of, what I see in a lot of email lists that I'm on, which I don't necessarily buy from, but I follow just to kind of keep an eye on how they write their emails. And they're just total crap. It's often, hey, click here, it's on sale, this is the greatest product in the world, and they don't provide any more detail. Whereas Michael Cheney has really made a name for himself for his really quirky, creative emails that you want to read even if you don't buy a product. You just are entertained by his emails. And so honestly, that's what I'm going for as well with my emails. I hope you stick around and read them, regardless of whether you click through or anything. It's just fun to have people enjoy my emails. Then he goes through another module about how to deploy different, a lot of mechanics and in the weeds training for how to get this stuff off the ground. And then he goes into some methods for how to generate traffic. If you don't have an email list at all, he's got a bunch of suggestions and options here. Good ideas, as well as some advanced ninja tactics. And then, beyond the core training, which is what you get for, the initial price there, he's got some upsells that you do not have to get, but you're welcome to if you want. So he's got some done-for-you trainings where he's giving you his email swipes, that you can use for promos. Got, specific training on how to get more traffic. A lot of extra content here, which again, you're not required to get. Just sort of up to you to determine where, what your status is in terms of expertise and knowledge, comfortability doing things on your own, or whether you want to get some more stuff, purchase and handheld from Michael directly. So that's the Commission Machine. I hope this tweaks your interest. I have gone through this multiple times. I have found it extremely valuable, and it's insane for the price that he charges for this. So I highly recommend it. You will not be disappointed.